Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn passive income by promoting products and earning commissions on sales. Choose a niche with substantial demand and potential for profitability. Top niches include health and wellness, personal finance, technology, and online education. Select affiliate programs with high commissions, strong conversion rates, and reputable brands. Look for generous commissions and long cookie durations. Create quality content like product reviews, how-to guides, comparison posts, and listicles to drive traffic and convert leads. Use SEO techniques like keyword research and on-page optimization to improve your content ranking on search engines. Paid ads can speed up your results. Begin with a small budget to test your ads and track performance for profitability. Grow your email list by offering incentives and setting up automated email sequences to promote affiliate products. Focus on high-ticket affiliate products with larger commissions like online courses, SaaS products, and consulting services. Earning $50 in 6 months requires smart strategies and consistent effort. Stay focused and you'll succeed in affiliate marketing.